Future of work. Imagine waking up in the morning, and you don't have to go to work. Not because you quit, but because the kind of work you used to know no longer exists. Sounds like a dream? Or the beginning of something unsettling? Today, we're going to break down what work will actually look like in the future, and why most people are completely unprepared for it. And if you're into topics like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button right now, so you don't lose this video. It only gets more interesting from here. We're used to thinking that work equals stability. You have a profession, you have income, you have a future. But that model is already starting to crack. And it's not just about technology. The very concept of work is changing. Work will stop being a place work used to mean an office. Then it became a laptop at home. What's next? Work becomes a state. You won't go to work anymore. You'll exist in a constant flow of tasks, projects, and interactions. No clear start of the day. No clear end. Just you and your ability to create value. This is already happening. Freelancing remote work hybrid setups. But this is just the beginning. Professions will disappear faster than you think. There was a time when you could choose a profession and stick with it for life. Now, you can become outdated in 2 to 3 years. Why? Because AI automates routine task algorithms learn faster than humans, markets change instantly, and the scary part? It's not just simple jobs disappearing. We're already seeing pressure on lawyers, designers, entry-level programmers, analysts. Even creative roles are no longer safe. Skills will matter more than professions. In the future, no one will ask, "What do you do?" They'll ask, "What can you do right now?" Your value won't come from a diploma, but from your skill set. Ability to learn critical thinking, adaptability, communication, creativity. And here's the problem. Most people were never taught these things. There will be less work. But not for everyone. There's a common myth. AI will take all. The job's reality is more nuanced. There will be less work for those who don't evolve, more opportunities for those who adapt. A sharp divide will emerge. People who manage systems, people replaced by systems. The middle layer will shrink dramatically. Instability will become the new normal. Forget the idea of a stable job. The future looks like temporary projects, short-term contracts, constant search for new opportunities. You'll switch directions, learn new skills, rebuild your career again and again. This won't be the exception. It will be the standard. Personal responsibility will skyrocket. Before, you could say, "They didn't teach me this. It's the company's fault. The market is tough." That won't work anymore, because everything will depend on you, what you learn, how fast you adapt, what decisions you make. This is both freedom and pressure. 7. People will work with AI, not against it. The biggest mistake is thinking AI will completely replace humans. In reality, the winners will be those who learn how to use it. Imagine this. One person plus AI, a team of 10. That's not the future, that's already happening. So, the key skill becomes using technology instead of resisting it. 8. Income will come from multiple sources. One job, more one income stream is outdated. The future, multiple income streams, project-based work, investments, digital products, content. You won't depend on a single employer anymore. But stability will decrease. Education will be completely redefined. Universities are already falling behind. Knowledge becomes outdated faster than people graduate, so learning becomes lifelong. People constantly reskill. Practical skills outweigh theory. And most importantly, you become responsible for your own education. 10. The biggest problem won't be technology, it will be people. Most people don't want to change. Fear, uncertainty, killing to the past, and that's exactly why many won't be. Climax, the future of work isn't a disaster, but it's not comfortable either. It's a world where the flexible win. The rigid fall behind. Action matters more than intention, and the real question is, are you ready for it? If this video made you think, you're already ahead of most people. But understanding isn't enough. Action is what matters. Write in the comments. Which profession do you think will disappear first? And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you want more videos about the future, money, and technology. See you in the next one.